And I have another question. This is the last question, I believe, my friend. Look, this is a very good question. It's coming also. This is coming from Mexico, our country, and I think, for example, right now I have a Bermuda Triangle behind me because my name is Bermudez. I am Carlos Bermudez, and for sure, a
For
lot of people is
Bermuda.
thinking that I am there. Yeah, maybe the people is thinking that I am really in Bermuda. Uh, I was long time ago, like 40 years ago, in that beautiful island. But do you know that if with Metaverse replace reality, can do that Metaverse one day?
Uh, I
I can
think
go to
that's
swim right now if you want to.
I think that's completely negative. Virtual
Okay.
reality or metaverse cannot complete forever and for everything a regular life, like a normal life as we know to get today. Because we are humans, we have needs, we have so many interests, and one of the things is how would you change your clothes only in the metaverse and be ready to go dinner? That's impossible, right?
No,
so
really.
so just because of that, I think as we have necessities, physical necessities, you can't replace forever the physical world. You can do some things in the virtual world, like getting a job, like hiring people, like having meetings, like pass under the radar. The other day I was looking at the video where this guy Claric. Do you know him?
Cleric.
Yeah,
Yes.
what's his name? I forgot his name. His name is Jürgen
Yes.
Claric. Yeah, and he was saying like he was like Charlie. He was in a in in an island, and he was saying like he was going to buy a plane, and he was making $3,000 million and whatever. These guys are just, if he is really rich, I wouldn't say that, you know. If he is really rich, he wouldn't say that. And so when people have money, or they are owners of business or whatever, sometimes they need, or they want to be like unknown. And in the real world, that's almost impossible, because if you have your kids, you take it to certain school, and you go to certain places, and you eat certain things that, and you drive a car, and people can understand how's you're living, how big, how much money you have or whatever, just by the small things they're seeing. But in the metaverse, you can be unknown. You can have many accounts. You can have many wallets, and you can buy things. You can sell it, and you can be completely rich, and be exactly the same as the person who has only $100 for a week. So
Yeah.
I guess some things are going to be better, and some things will never be replaced by the metaverse. You know.
Yes, that's true. It's very difficult that all this technology replace reality. It's like you say, we have our human necessities, and um, we need to hug our friends, our people that we love, and feel, uh, breathe, and eat. For example, or take a shower, real shower. I can go and jump to the sea that I have behind, and I'm not going to be wet. For sure. or, or you in the middle of the river, inside of the river, uh, walking on, in the bottom of the river, last metaverse example, and you are not going to be wet. And I think to be wet is a nice feeling sometimes if the people like the water. And if we are 75% water, we need water. Of course, it's going to be very, very difficult to be to replace reality, right? Very difficult. I I think so. No,
Almost
and thank
impossible.
you, God. Yeah, yeah, almost impossible. I know,
Almost
I know.
impossible. Yeah.